y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day number 17. In today's video, y'all, I am going to be making my kids some t-shirts. I went and picked up t-shirts, of course. I've had these for a while actually. I've been wondering what the heck am I going to do with these t-shirts that I bought, so I figured out a perfect idea. So for this video, you're going to need t-shirts, of course, some scissors, an iron, and your transformations, your iron-ons. So I went with these little pink little letters right here, and I also went and picked up this as well. So if you are excited and ready for this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up this video, y'all. Make sure you thumbs it up, please. And follow me on Instagram at Lashondacapri with 2 eyes. I will put it right here in the video, also in the description. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump straight into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first t-shirt. And I'm just going to flatten it out and everything like that. Just make sure that it's pretty straight. Y'all, this is super easy and super simple. It's got a little length on it, but that is okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with these iron-ons. I got these iron-ons from Hobby Lobby. They were only like $2 because I had a coupon for 40% off. And I'm going to use this one right here. I'm gonna use big first, and all you do is cut these out. That's it. And then I'm gonna use sister. So big sister is what I'm gonna use first. So for this iron-on, you want to make sure you preheat your iron to cotton. Just set it to the cotton settings. I've already done that. You also want to make sure you turn off steam. So turn your steam off on your iron as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. I'm gonna cut out the word big. Big right there. I'm just positioning it kind of where I want it. You can put it wherever you like. And same thing with sister. I'm just going to cut that out as well. I'm kind of just going to put it like right there. But first, I don't know if I want to do it like this or like that. Let's see. Do I want it like this? Big sister like that? What you guys think? Or should I do it together? I'm thinking I should do it together. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it side by side. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and take my iron. And I'm going to go ahead and iron that on. Just for safety and just to make me feel better, I'm also going to take some parchment paper, just a little bit of parchment paper, and that's just going to go over it to iron it on. And you can get parchment paper from the dollar store. So I got it where I want, and I'm just going to go ahead and iron over that for about 5 minutes. Up to 5 minutes. I'm sorry, 5 seconds. I'm gonna iron over this for 5 seconds. Okay, and I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit just to see. Okay, it's going on there great. I'm gonna iron over it a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just gonna peel off that plastic like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put sister now. I'm gonna put sister like right there. I'm matching sister up with the G, but I'm thinking, should I do it here or no? I'm gonna match it up with the G, just like that, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my parchment paper over this like that. Y'all, I am just making sure that this is as straight as possible. And this is what the masking tape was for, if you want to make sure you're super straight. Okay, I think that's good. 5 seconds again. And there we go, y'all. That is all done. And now I'm just gonna take the parchment paper again and I'm gonna go over just a little bit like that. And then I'm gonna turn it inside out as well and go over the back. And I'm gonna put my parchment paper down and I'm just gonna go over too, just to make sure that's on there really, really good. There we go. I'm gonna turn it back over now. And that is how we're looking, but I am not done. I am not done. I'm also gonna put something on the back of the shirt. And on the back of the shirts, I'm gonna be putting my kids' nicknames. Now, my mom gave them this nickname, so I'm gonna put it because their nicknames are so adorable. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this here for the nickname. And I'm just gonna put it on the back here. And I'll be right back after I cut each letter out, y'all. Okay, y'all, so with this one, you just cut out each letter and then you peel them off and then you sit them where you would like them and then iron them on. Okay, y'all, so I got the name exactly how I want it on here. I think that's like as straight as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my parchment paper over this. Like that. And then I'm just gonna iron it on. And this you wanna do for 20 to 30 seconds. And there we go. That came out so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second shirt and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product of both t-shirts. This is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love it. My kids are going to love these. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like videos like this, guys. I love doing little DIYs. It is so fun. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you made it this far in the video, leave me down some white hearts or some pink hearts, whichever one you like, white or pink, it doesn't matter. And yeah, like I say in all my videos, guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.